just chilling out here, being all cool.
Are you enjoying the better camera quality?
What the fuck are you
I'm
talking
kidding.
about? I mean, I would say like the proportions and everything changed because of the. Well, that's basically how the Samsung was like that. Oh yeah. Kung nakita niyo yung music video sa Freeze, di ba nakita niyo yung perang pinapanood ko si 6ix9ine dun sa ano, parang tawag dun, sa sala.
She was a goon.
She was the one who was wearing the goon mask. Siya yung nakaupo dun tapos yung nakatitig dun sa TV. Siya yung nakatitig kay 6ix9ine. So what do you gotta say about having to watch 6ix9ine for so many tries on filming?
It was scarring, wasn't it?
I was traumatized.
That's crazy. But yeah, man. Hey, there he is. He actually got some.
Thank you.
What you got, Auntie? What you got for him?
All I had is drinks, bro, because I didn't want to spend all the money.
Wait,
I
no
know
water for me?
That's whatever. Man.
You guys are gonna share this.
I told you it'd go out like a damn candle.
Have faith.
Oh yeah, I cursed in alive. Ha ha, funny.
Hey. Hey, little kid, can you shout me out? Keiko,
Keiko, you're famous.
just say his name.
Carnival?
What was his name?
JD. Read it properly. JD
JD dot Carnival?
Canaveral. Say it.
Canaveral.
Carnivero.
Yeah, of course you'd say it that way.
Yeah, it's because she can understand.
Damn, this is nice.
It's
Bro,
nice.
it's so funny how chill they are.
Yeah.
Like, it's just, I don't know, bro. We barely met them just a little bit, and they're already like
That's true.
best interest.
Be careful.
Rest
Keiko.
in peace, my teeth.
All right, we're gonna have to head home.
Let's go.
All right, come on.
I have to give you the water.
What's up? Your music banging, bro. No cap. Of course it's banging, bro. That's me, bro. You know, I put my all into my shit. Not gonna lie. Not everyone puts their all into this shit, man. They just be like, yo, I wanna just make this song cause I'm just, you know, I just wanna make something. But me, like, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. My mom's still working. I'm trying to change that. I'm trying to have her, like, retire. She's a frontliner. That's crazy. Shout out. What's up, Anna? But yeah. What? Thanks. Press it. Take care always, bro. You guys too, man. Ingat kayo lang lagi. Mas lalo na dyan sa Pinas, mas stricto pa yung mga batas na dyan para sa COVID. Eh.
I want you to try freestyling in Japanese.
Freestyling in Japanese? Nani ka ore no namae wa Izukeru Mira. Kira wa...
You know what mira
I
means
can-
in Spanish?
Huh?
Look.
Really?
Yeah.
Mirai in Japanese is future.
Mirai. Sono te wa nani kora ore no namae wa Izukeru. Nani desu ka?
Is dream.
ソノダバザマルジップドゥタコ
Did you know if you count in Japanese, it
俺
basically
大
all
好き
just
タッ
rhymes?
クス俺大好きタック
1, 2, 3, 4,
These fans are crying These dancer lines Can you add word charot in one of your music? I might, bro. The word charot in the Philippines is like a suffix for people who say they're joking. Parang kung bagay, may tinakwento ko sa'yo. Yung pangit mo, charot. Parang bakla, di ba?
People say that to me seriously.
Shout out.
Keiko!
Come on.
Is it like saying,
Yeah. That's kind of like
Joke.
It, but it's mostly like a thing. It started out with just girls and some gays, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys.
so is it just saying, I'm just kidding, girl?
Yeah, just kidding, girl. Like, joking, babe. I'm just joking, baby.
Joke lang, baby.
Hey, girl, your shoes looking kind of weird today. I'm just kidding, baby. You know, you cute all the time.
Cute or whatever.
But the thing is that
Wait.
that's like
Marin, chinelas mo parang kakaiba ngayon na. Hindi, sarap. Joke lang. Di ba ganun? Shout out my name. Leona. Hey, what's up, GU? With the heart eyes emoji. We're just walking in the streets of the suburbs of Las Vegas, Nevada. Foreigner. Hey, bro, what?
For long hair,
Time for long hair? Is that the time for it, bro?
they never witnessed that before, bro.
Tinanggal ni Angie ang aking tali sa buhok. Ngayon, you guys